Have you ever wondered how far we can go to explore the unknown? Now, imagine a hole so deep it seems endless. Where does it lead? What does it hide? Picture a drone slowly descending into this abyss, illuminating only fragments of the surrounding darkness, capturing what no one has ever seen before. It sounds like something out of a movie, but this has actually happened in some of the most mysterious places on Earth. Today, we will talk about wells that defy logic, caves where the silence is so absolute it becomes eerie, and even submerged volcanoes that hide secrets from ancient times. A word of caution. After learning about these places, you might never see the world the same way again. The discoveries here are on another level. We begin with one of the most iconic locations in human exploration history, the Kola superdeep borehole in Russia. This is not just any hole. It is the result of one of the most ambitious scientific projects of the 20th century. In 1970, during the Cold War, Soviet scientists launched a project that seemed straight out of science fiction. While the United States and the USSR competed to reach the moon first, the Soviet Union had a different plan: to explore the Earth's depths. If humanity was striving to conquer space, why not also look downward into the heart of our planet? The initial goal was simple yet extremely ambitious: drill as deep as possible into the Earth's crust to study its internal layers. Scientists sought answers to questions that, until then, no one had been able to answer. The project continued for decades, and by 1989 the drilling had reached an astonishing depth of 12,262 meters, deeper than the height of Mount Everest. Imagine a tunnel so deep that if you dropped a stone it would take several seconds to hit the bottom. But what truly shocked the world was not just the depth. As the drilling progressed, unexpected problems arose. Temperatures soared. Scientists had estimated about 100 degrees Celsius at those depths, but instead they recorded over 180 degrees, making operations extremely difficult. Then came the real mystery. Strange sounds were picked up by the equipment. To this day, these noises remain a topic of debate. Some say they were merely sounds caused by rock movements or extreme heat. Others, however, are not so sure. The audio was described as a collective moan, leading many to call it the screams of hell. The recording of these sounds became so famous that it inspired countless theories and discussions. Additionally, scientists made unexpected discoveries. At 7 kilometers deep, they found water, something previously thought impossible in such extreme conditions. Even more astonishing, microscopic fossils were found in rocks dating back over 2 billion years, as if the hole itself was telling Earth's history in a way never seen before. Despite decades of work, the project was abandoned in 1994 due to a lack of funding. Today, the Kola superdeep borehole is a relic of an era when scientific curiosity knew no limits. The entrance is sealed, but the mystery remains. Moving from the deepest man-made hole, we now explore a different kind of abyss, one created by nature. Located in the Arabica Massif, Georgia, Krubera Cave is a true gateway to the unknown. At over 2,000 meters deep, it holds the title of the deepest explored cave in the world. Explorers call it the Raven's Hole, and just a glance at its entrance explains why. Its steep, dark walls seem to swallow anything that gets too close. But the real adventure begins once you step inside. It's like being on another planet. Narrow tunnels, passages opening into vast chambers, and vertical shafts that seem to have no end. To map these depths, scientists used not only advanced equipment but also drones capable of navigating areas unreachable by humans. What they found inside was surreal. Geological formations resembling works of art, with gigantic stalactites and rocks shaped over millions of years by water. Some chambers even hold underground lakes fed by a river system that remains a mystery to researchers. But here's where things get even more fascinating. In 2012, an international team of scientists reached new unexplored depths and discovered something unexpected: microorganisms unlike anything known before. These tiny creatures have likely evolved isolated from the surface for thousands of years, adapting to extreme conditions of darkness, pressure, and lack of nutrients. This discovery has led to fascinating theories. Some researchers believe the cave could harbour even more complex life forms, perhaps even insects or amphibians that have never been seen before. Krubera Cave is almost like a time capsule, preserving secrets from a time when Earth was vastly different. Some even speculate that the cave may connect to deeper, unknown geological systems. Drones exploring its depths were unable to map everything. Some areas are so inaccessible that it seems as if the cave itself is protecting its mysteries. Leaving the frozen darkness of Krubera Cave, we move to a completely different landscape, Botswana, southern Africa. Here, in the middle of an arid terrain, lies a hole so massive it can be seen from space, the Jwaneng diamond mine. At nearly 650 meters deep, this mine is one of the most valuable diamond sources on Earth. Since mining began in 1982, it has produced diamonds that support a significant part of Botswana's economy. However, Jwaneng holds mysteries beyond its precious gems. Advanced drones exploring inaccessible areas of the mine detected unexplained vibrations coming from deep underground. These vibrations were not linked to mining activities or recorded seismic movements. It was as if something beneath the surface was alive. Additionally, some drone sensors recorded sudden temperature spikes in specific areas. The heat rose inexplicably, reaching levels unusual even for deep mining environments. Could these anomalies be caused by geothermal activity, an unknown chemical reaction, or something entirely different? Some theories suggest that the Jwaneng mine might connect to ancient subterranean systems formed millions of years ago, possibly during the era of the supercontinent Gondwana. These systems might contain trapped water or gases from Earth's formation and possibly even giant undiscovered caverns. Finally, we journey to one of the most remote and mysterious locations, the Pacific Ocean seabed, home to a colossal sleeping giant, the Tamu Massif. As the largest volcano on Earth, its base covers an area equivalent to New Mexico. Discovered in the 1990s, Tamu Massif challenges traditional classifications. Scientists believe it may have formed from a single massive eruption millions of years ago, something still not fully understood. But the real intrigue lies in what deep-sea drones have revealed, structures resembling ruins with nearly perfect alignments and angles. Are these just rare geological formations or evidence of something built long ago? Some believe these could be remnants of lost civilizations, even linking them to the legend of Atlantis. Adding to the mystery, seismic sensors detected rhythmic sound pulses coming from the volcano, different from anything previously recorded. From the deepest man-made hole to natural abysses and oceanic giants, one thing is clear. Our planet remains an unsolved enigma. Even in the 21st century, Earth still hides astonishing secrets waiting to be uncovered. What do you think lies in these unfathomable depths? Let us know your thoughts.